friends, welcome back to the vlog and welcome to Vlogmas day 12. Today is Friday. It's the day before my annual holiday party and I have a lot to do today. I'm not gonna lie, I procrastinated a bit too much this year. Haven't really gotten that much done, so today is a very busy, proactive day. I have to get pretty much the whole apartment ready, cleaned, decorated, all this stuff cleared out and just party people ready. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of the worst part of the whole process for me. I have a lot of anxiety about it and I've been putting it off for days now, but we can't put it off any longer and I don't want to wait to do it all tomorrow because that's the worst case scenario. So right now I'm gonna work on prepping the living room. First, I kind of just want to clear the space, put everything away, make it as clean in here as possible, and then we'll start moving things around. First, what I want to do is clear everything off the dining table, cover it, put all of the plates and servingware out just so I can see where everything goes and kind of envision it. And then we will take it from there. Last year I forgot to buy tablecloths to cover all the countertops with, so I just ended up covering them with craft paper. And it actually ended up being the happiest accident. I put out some markers and colored pencils and everyone just drew the whole night and it was such a fun activity. Like people were just hanging around, drawing, playing hangman and tic-tac-toe and stuff. So I'm gonna do that again this year. I'm gonna cover my dining table and I'm also gonna cover the kitchen counter, and I'll put out like some little pens and everything so everyone can draw designs or whatever they want. And I think I can also write descriptions for whatever food is out or like happy holidays, like little pictures and stuff. I couldn't recommend doing this more. People still bring it up on a regular basis how much fun they had drawing on the countertop, so I'm really looking forward to doing it again this year. I'm wearing the same outfit as yesterday because I'm filming a reel and I just need to have the same outfit on for consistency. I'm pretty sure I'm done with the tree for now. I mean, I'm out of bows, so it is what it is, at least for the holiday party. I might add more afterwards, but she turned out so cute. I love it so much. It's just so fun and not serious and colorful, and I'm really happy with how it came together with things that I already owned instead of buying new stuff. I mean, I bought these at the beginning of the year, so they're not old, but I still had them, so I didn't have to buy anything new. And I used my like little tinsel to make bows. It's just really, really cute. I did end up stringing through some white lights because the tree has pink lights, and I didn't love how the pink lights looked at night with all the bows. I like the white lights better. And they do like a little twinkling action. But now I'm gonna hang some tinsel around my window frame and kind of add some finishing touches. And then we'll finish cleaning up this room and getting it ready for tomorrow. But I love her so much. I also decided that this might be the perfect place to hang the new artwork that I got yesterday at Jewel's pop-up because the colors, like, they're vibing. Like, there's something here. So I think I'm just gonna put it on the wall right here and see how it looks. I mean, the nice thing about having a colorful home is that it's really not that serious. It all kind of goes together, you know what I mean? If I can get it to hang up, that is. I think it looks good there. So it's gonna stay. So cutesy. Okay, it's a couple hours later, a little fast forward. I had to do a little bit of cleaning and organizing in my own non-aesthetic way. At one point there was just so much stuff out. Decorations, plates, food, chairs, rugs, everything. I needed to just do it and get it done because I've been procrastinating it so much that now I'm at a point where it has to get done. I can't really wait for tomorrow because people are coming early tomorrow. There's gonna be people around kind of all day, so I just wanna get everything in a good spot before that happens. And now I feel a lot better. There's no more mess on the ground. The office is completely cleaned. The tree is done in there. And I feel like I'm in a good spot to move on to the next thing. So I'm gonna bake some more cookies, and I'm actually gonna be trying a new recipe. I follow this creator on Instagram. Her handle is Bright Moment Co. And this morning she posted these tiramisu truffles. They look fab. I've never made truffles before. I'm a big fan of truffles. I love a truffle, but I never thought to make them. And she posted this recipe and I was watching it this morning and I was like, you know what? This doesn't look hard. This looks pretty easy and it only takes like 7 ingredients and I already had some of them. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make these truffles. So I went out to the store, I picked up the couple of things that I was missing, and we're gonna make truffles. And you just really need to cook a little bit on the stovetop and that's it. You don't have to bake them or anything. I'm such a big fan of everything she does. She's just so aesthetic and bubbly and happy, and her recipes just look delicious and pretty easy to do. My #1 favorite creator at this time. I don't know her at all or anything. I just am a big fan. So we're gonna make the truffles, and then afterwards I'm gonna make my 7-layer bars, which I make every year, which are graham crackers, chocolate, coconut, sweetened condensed milk, and that's pretty much it. You cut them up into bars. They're so good. Everyone's such a big fan of them every year. And I think between the peanut butter blossoms, the truffles, the 7-layer bars, and then what everyone else is bringing, that should be enough. I also want to get some Italian cookies at the old school Italian bakery tomorrow because I'm just a really big fan of them. And then I have a friend who every year brings this stuff called peppermint slice. It's like a peppermint cookie with a cream on top. It's hard to explain, but that's like my favorite thing. I cannot wait for Stacy to bring the peppermint slice. I cannot wait. Maybe I'll try to make them this year after the holiday season and I'll show you guys how to make them. But they are so delicious. Literally one of my favorite foods. Anywho, we are gonna start making the truffles because they have to go in the fridge and then in the freezer a little bit. Heavy cream, mascarpone cheese, espresso powder, chocolate, and ladyfingers. What I especially like is that she does the recipe along with you in the video. Like she tells you exactly how much you need of each thing, and then I could just follow along with her, pause it when I get to the step that I'm currently at, and then just watch her and copy it, which is so easy and it feels like I'm cooking with her. So first I just mixed the heavy cream and the espresso powder and I have to wait for it to heat up a little bit. Next she says to pour this mixture over some chocolate chips and let it sit for 5 minutes. Recipe calls for regular mascarpone cheese, but when I was at the store, I saw they had espresso mascarpone cheese, which I've never ever seen before. So I figured I'm gonna add this in instead, and it might make it more like tiramisu espresso-y. Can't hurt, right? Like, it smells so good. It smells insane. Now that it's mixed, we're adding in the mascarpone cheese, 1/3 cup, a pinch of salt, Yes, it smells so good. If these turn out good, I'm gonna make them all the time because this is such an easy recipe. Are you kidding me? I feel like a chef. Okay, now it says to crush up 4 ladyfingers, but I feel like my cookies are bigger than hers, so maybe I'll just do 2. I'm gonna cover it and just let it sit in the freezer for about a half hour. Now at the point in the holiday party prep decorating process where everything must just go up. It's not about being creative or aesthetic or planning anything anymore. It's just about literally putting things on the wall and making it as festive as possible. So that's what we're gonna be doing for the rest of the night, putting lights up, putting garlands, wreaths, and everything, just making sure that every single corner of the apartment is as crazy Christmas as possible. Since I realized I haven't really done any Christmassy things in New York yet, I'm going with some friends right now to go see the tree on Wall Street, which I feel like is a hidden gem. Like, everyone goes to see the tree in Rockefeller Center and it's so busy. And usually the one on Wall Street is less busy. So I would recommend, like, if you want to get closer to a tree or like not deal with so many crowds, go see the one on Wall Street. It's also really, really nice too. So we're gonna go right now and just do like a quick little look-see and then come back home for an early night. I just finished making my truffles. They're all done. Honestly, they were such a delight to make, which I feel like I've never said about anything before. So easy, so simple. If you're looking for a low bake, no bake recipe, totally recommend these. They were just so much fun. They look fab, and I'm sure they're gonna be a big hit tomorrow. Today was such a weird day. It feels like one of those days where I feel like I got nothing done, but really I did get a lot done, and I don't even know what I filmed. It's 10 o'clock and I haven't even looked at any of my footage for today, so sorry if it's a little bit of a mishmash of everything. Doing all the party prep is just like so stressful, and moving things around, and there's just like so much stuff everywhere and so much to take into consideration. I just had to really focus on that today and try to vlog what I can, but really eye on the prize, like focus on getting stuff done, because I've been procrastinating so much. I've been procrastinating a lot, and I couldn't procrastinate anymore today. I do feel like a little anxiety about everything, but I know no matter what, everyone's just gonna be excited to be here and see everyone, enjoy good food, and just like hang out. So I'm trying to remember that and not worry so much about the small stuff, which I have a tendency to do with pretty much everything in life. I also have to say I had so much fun seeing the Christmas tree tonight. There was no one down there on Wall Street. I mean, the tree at Rockefeller Center is iconic, so of course you want to go see that tree. But if you're looking for a tree with less crowds and just the same amount of lights and magic, I would recommend going to see the tree at the New York Stock Exchange. It was just a nice experience. There was only like 10 people there, which is crazy. I was like taking pictures for people's families and stuff. It's always nice. I always love doing that because it's such a nice memory, you know? Whenever I see like families trying to take a selfie, I'm like, I'll take a picture for you. And then I feel like I'm like a part of the magic. You know what I mean? It's always so nice. As I've gotten older, I just don't like being around crowds anymore. I'll do it for certain situations, but overall I try to avoid crowds as much as possible because I just like, it makes me very stressed out and I don't have a good time and I'm very worried and I just don't like it. So I prefer to be like at the Wall Street tree like I was tonight and take in the beauty and not worry about like getting elbowed or like stepping on a little kid or something. So it was a very nice night. But anyways, now while I let my truffles rest before I cover them for the night, I'm gonna do my advent calendar in a new location tonight because my coffee table is in the office and everything is just crazy right now. But we're gonna do day number 12, which is crazy and so fun. Number 12. Oh, it's a man carrying a Christmas tree. It looks like he's bringing a Christmas tree home to his house. I love his hat. It has like little polka dots on it and he has a super long beard and striped socks, which is adorable. So cute. Oh, there's like trees around him too. So it looks like he's taking one of the trees with him. Look how cute. So now I have to close up shop for the night and do my skincare, and I really need to do like a lip mask or extra aquaphor tonight because my lips are so chapped. The cold weather is just killing my lips. They feel like they're inflamed. That's how dry they are and just wind burned or whatever you call it. I gotta do a serious hydration mask tonight. But anyway, thank you guys so much for following along on this crazy little vlog. I don't even know what I did today, honestly. So you know better than I do right now because I am going to be probably shocked and appalled when I look back at this footage because I feel like I didn't do anything. I know I did, but I don't remember what I filmed. Anywho, I'm going to do that. And I will see you guys tomorrow for the holiday party, fun extravaganza. Goodbye. See you later.